5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch me. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. Know you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. Know you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch me. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. Know you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. Level up.
Hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Jerome Dial. Welcome back to the Leads. This is my second vlog and I will be sharing to you some fatherhood or parenthood items that could be useful for you or other family members who has a child. So we will be talking about the difference or the advantage of using cloth diapers and its difference from those commercial or those disposable cloth diapers. So throughout the blog, if I say commercial diapers, I mean to say disposable diapers. So sit back, watch out, and if you have more questions, please do comment. Don't forget to subscribe and share and hit the bell button so that you will be notified for my next vlog, okay? See ya! So hi guys, eto na yung dalawang types ng diapers na ginagamit namin ngayon. Eto naman yung on my left side is the cloth reusable diapers. And then on the right side is the commercial or the disposable ones. For now, ginagamit namin itong dalawa. Usually, gumagamit si Riri ng around maximum 3 to 4 disposable diapers in a day. Pero sinasanay namin na pinapractice namin na maximum 2 lang. Tinatry talaga namin in a day. So, usually ginagamit niya ito pag natutulog paggabi and after ligo in the morning. So, and the rest of the day we are using the cloth diapers. It's reusable, it's breathable, and it's easy to use. Ang main advantage nito is that first, if you really want to help the environment, then this you have to go for this so that mas less ang iyong waste in the landfill. So this one is very easy to clean and very easy to use. We have 2 components. This one is the cover, the diaper, and this one is the absorbent material. It's made of microfibers, but some of the sellers of these reusable diapers are made of natural fibers like those from bamboos and coconuts. So you can check it out in the internet. Binili ito ng wife ko online when she was still pregnant. So ayun, we have 9 pairs of cloth diapers. Going back to the advantage, aside from waste, makakales ka ng waste, makakatulong ka sa environment. Second, which is also very important, is it's very budget friendly. It helps you save. Kung i-check mo ngayon sa online, medyo may kamahalan siya when you check it compared to this. But be reminded that this is reusable. You can use it for all of your children. You can use it from infant to toddlers because it's adjustable also. And yeah, it's very budget friendly. So if you try to calculate it, makakasave ka din dito. Aside from that, we have me and my wife, we have checked in an article that using a cloth diaper, mas madaling ipati-train yung baby. Tapos, especially kasi yung baby namin is babae, ang nakakatulong to for less rashes at saka less less exposure or less mas less siyang mas less yung ano niya exposure to urinary tract infections. Kasi as we know, yung babae is more prone to UTI because of its anatomical structure. Because mas less yung length or mas maigsi yung nadaanan ng ihi, yung urethra ng babae kaysa lalaki. So mas mabilis umakyat yung infection from the diaper galing sa ihi, na-stuck na ihi, tsaka na-stuck na tae, papuntang urinary bladder. So, mas ma-prone yung babae on UTI. So, mas nakaka-prevent ito using cloth diapers. Why? Isang reason why nakaka-prevent din is because kasi kagaya ng lampin, 'di ba? Pag basa yung lampin or may tae, makikita mo dire-diretso mong change. So, parang ganito din yung concept. Pag basa kasi, mafe-feel mo. So, dire-diretso mo lang i-change yung cloth diaper. So, yan. So, we will be talking more of this. So, I will keep this away. The disposable one. So, this is the, how do you call it? The diaper itself, the cover. And then this is the absorbent cloth. So, again, may dalawa siyang component. Ito yung cover, tsaka yung absorbent pad. So, yung sa cover naman, marami siyang buttons. Hindi ko alam pa ang tawag nito. Yung mga nagtatahi, anong tawag nito? You can put it in the comment, anong tawag dito? Because ito yung lock and adjustment na mechanism niya. So, tapos ito dito sa may singit, stretchable din. Dito sa likuran, stretchable. Dito sa likuran banda, ito yung opening na kung saan mo ilalagay yung absorbent pad. So, lalagay mo siya. Ayan. So, after putting it inside the cover, so it will become a little bit thicker. Yeah, a little bit thicker, and then you can adjust it. You can lock it over sa parang belt niya. Oh, so malalak siya, 'di ba? Malalak siya. So if it's if you want it tighter, so you can adjust it over, put it here, and then yeah. And then ito yung lalagyan ng paa. I mean ng thighs, tsaka yung singit. So ayun. Simple lang. So ayan. Tanggalin muna natin lahat ng mga pads. Tapos medyo so far, akala ko nga before, mahirap siyang linisin pag tumae si baby. Pero hindi naman. Pag may bidet kayo, madali lang. Or kahit walang bidet, kahit ano lang. What you call this? Tubig lang sa gripo. Kuha ka ng tabo. Tapos buhusan mo lang ng tubig. Yung pad, yung diaper na may tae, tapos ayun, mafa-flush lang din naman yung tae. Ano mo siya sa bowl, sa toilet bowl, para doon na dediretso yung tae. Main reason ito, tipid talaga. Tsaka, I think it's a little bit healthier for the baby. Prevention ng mga UTI.
budget friendly talaga ito. Medyo, I'm not sure with the price online, pero kung isipin mo na parang ito yung replacement ng lampin natin before. Okay. So, laba. Advice lang ng wife ko din, huwag nalagyan ng Zonrox or chlorine. Kasi pag lagyan mo ng chlorine ito, lalo na pag hindi masyadong na banlawan after, medyo magkakarashes yung skin ng bata. So, bawal. Avoid lang. Or kung hindi talaga ma-avoid, banlawan maigi. Ilang beses. Ito very absorbent siya. Madali lang, hindi attack, tsaka hindi masyadong nadudumihan. Kasi ihi lang halos. Yung kung lang, kung may tae lang, yun yung medyo dumidikit yung kulay. Pero that's why binababad namin diretso pagkatanggal sa kay baby para mawala yung mga mancha. Ayun. Manang kami na ganito. Tapos may 15, no, 14 kami na nandun pa alat sa loob. So yung cover niya, yung diaper talaga, dahil yung nabili namin online. Tapos stretch naman siya, yan stretch. Sa kurat, yung sa may singit na yung stretch naman siya. Nagalit ng wife ko since I think, party mo sa month old, so pretty much okay. Kung ito ang klaseng tela ito, very absorbent siya. Yung part talaga yung absorbent part ng diaper. Tapos ito yung diaper talaga yung cover, madaling yung ma-dry. So, yung ano yun siya parang madumi kasi ihi lang. Tapos nababad na ito. So,
So, tapos na. Tapos ng laban, kusutin, tsaka banlawan. So, ibibilad ko na lang. Ha? See you later. Salamat. Subscribe sa vlog ko. Kung may mga tanong kayo on cloth diapers, baka subukan kong sagutin. Comment lang. Ha? Bye! See you on my next vlog.